Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy! I can't wait to play Roblox! Let's see. I guarantee you I'm going to win! Look at me! Oh, I have such a good avatar. You know who lended me this account? Moss did. He said to me, he said I should kill myself, and then reluctantly gave me the password to his account. So now I have it. Whoa, why is this displaying SCP-079? I don't know, I might have to talk to him about this. But there's a round in progress, so we have to wait a bit. Actually, let's do this instead. No! No! Stop! Stop running away! Stop! Stop it. How do I activate it? Stop! 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 Can I slow, please? Please? Please! Please! Please!